welcome back. As we made our way through the day today, we did have mainly cloudy skies. Now, we had a lot of rain, even some thunderstorms earlier today when we did have high temperatures into the upper 40s, but that cool air really did work its way in as we went past the noontime hour. And then we had several hours of light intensity snow along with a good amount of winds. Here's a look at the North Platte Tower Cam time lapse. There's the rain in the morning, some snow as we made our way through early afternoon with reduced visibility because of the blowing snow, the wind really picking up from a northwesterly direction as we made our way through the afternoon and now into the evening. Current temperatures look like this: 24 degrees at North Platte, 27 out toward Broken Bow, and 25 at Lexington. Cooler air out toward Ogallala and Imperial near 20, 17 at Hyannis, and Valentine has risen to 28 degrees. Here's a look at the winds across the region, mainly from a northwesterly flow. Wind speeds sustained have picked up to around 25 to 35 miles per hour, and we do have some gusts 40 to 45 miles per hour. That continues to pump in the really cool air from the Arctic. Now, here's a look at the visibility across the region. So we do have light snow. At times it is horizontal because it is so light and the winds are so strong. So it's really reducing the visibility. 1¼ mile up toward Valentine, 1½ miles at North Platte, 3/4 of a mile at Broken Bow, and a ½ mile out toward Lexington. So the snow is moving into our eastern counties. Looks like there's an area of less than 1 mile just off to the north of Imperial. So prepare for that as we make our way outside. Also, we do have very cold wind chills across the region, with most of us between 5 and 10 degrees. So prepare for that if you're spending any time outside. Here's a look at the weather alerts across the region. Still winter weather advisories in the blue shading here from North Platte points off to the south and east. The pink shading, very little area of winter storm warnings, but the main weather maker is the blizzard warnings that we still have for mainly our western and northern counties. These all go until Thursday morning, 6 Central, 5 Mountain Time, because the snow should stop falling during the overnight, but we will have windy conditions through the day tomorrow, so ground blizzards conditions are possible, especially in our northern and western counties. So let's take a look at the Doppler radar, and we do have some light snow, mainly from North Platte, but some snow showers still into our western counties, some light to moderate intensity snow as you make your way out from Stapleton to even up toward Valentine, picking up a lot more snow out in that direction. The light snow is now overspreading Custer County and down toward Dawson County too, with a little bit of a dry sector as you make your way off to the south of Lexington. But the main weather story across the country, this low pressure system, we have highs off to our east, south, and off to our north. Now, this low will continue to work its way off to its north and to the east. The snow will eventually move away, but we have that direct flow from the Arctic, very windy northerly winds, so temperatures will really be on the cool side as we go through the next few days. So we still have a chance of some light snow over the next few hours, should be gone by daybreak, with the exception of up toward Valentine. They still could get several more inches of snow in that direction. Now, let's take a look at the weather for the day on Wednesday. Still windy conditions, lots of cloud cover, high temperatures only into the mid to upper 20s and mid to upper 20s for the day on Thursday. Still partly to mostly cloudy, and we keep windy conditions. So here's the additional snowfall across the region. Some areas in southern Lincoln County, and especially out toward Broken Bow and Lexington, could still pick up an additional 1 to 3 inches, but especially as you make your way up toward Valentine, some areas could still pick up another 3 to 6 inches up in that direction. That is in addition to the snow that has already fallen. So this low pressure system is making its way out, becoming a snowmaker into the Dakotas and Minnesota, eventually moving into the Midwest. Now, we have that strong northerly wind as we go through the next couple of days. Lots of cloud cover. We're not really going to clear out until this high pressure system crests over us. That's not going to be until late Friday and into Saturday. So temperatures into the mid to upper 20s will be common until then. Mostly cloudy skies the next 3 days, and we will keep windy conditions. Still a little breezy on Saturday, but sunny skies, a high of 31. 27 on Sunday, mostly sunny, partly cloudy Monday, a high of 20. So another core of cool air is going to be over us to start next week, and 25 on Tuesday with partly cloudy skies. Kent?
It's going to be interesting to see the final totals when this is all said and done tomorrow.
And I know it's going to be hard to measure because there's a lot of drifting outside with the wind.
Okay, thanks so much, Justin. Whether you're wrapping up your holiday shopping